Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I want to discuss about that array joining. That means I make it as a joining array. Okay, joining array. So with this joining array, what exactly you can do? Better right now and to close everything. Okay, I remove everything. Here, that is all that our array value. All right. So into the array, you can actually display all that array. You do a string view. You can use that on the separated as a comma separated, and also you can use that as a hyphen separated. Like I show you. Like first of all, I want to take one of the variable. I name it as a numbers. Okay, numbers, and into this numbers area I declare one of the array. I make it as a 1 2 3 and then 4. Okay, I simply take as a 4. So that is one of the array, right? Now I want to make this array to the one of the string view. So if you want to do that work, then what exactly you have to do? That is a let, and I just take another variable as a join. Okay, joined array. Okay, array, and then with our these numbers, and then they have the one of the method as a join method. Okay, so that is one of the join method. So with this join method area here, whatever the things you will be passed, that will be displayed into the string view area. Okay, like here right now I want to do, first of all I want to display it. That means in our console, into the console, and with this console log area I want to display out this join array and this variable. I want to print it. Now let's check this out. Click as a save all. And if you now go there, click as a refresh, now you can see that is one of the string, right? So that is one of the string array now display. So that is one of the array, but right now I convert it to the string view. We can convert it to the string with this join method. Okay, and into this here right now by default that is a separated. If you want to make it one of the hyphen, then that will be separated. All that our array value will be separated by the hyphen. And now click as a refresh. Now you can see that is our hyphen, and that is one of the string value. That is not that array value, right? Array is display with the different way with the indexing, right? So now that is one of the string view, and it's now successfully displayed. And also if you pass another space in here, then that will be one of the separated by the space. If you now click the refresh, you can see it's now separated by the space. Okay. So now I want to do another work. Like here I make it as a array to the string view, right? So now I want to make this change. Here I want to change that string to the array. So how can then do that work? For doing this, I take one of the variable as a message. Okay, message, and here I want to declare one of the string value as a hi, my name is Ariyan. Okay, so I simply take one of the string value. So this string value, now I want to make it as a array. So here only we have to do, like they have some of the space, right? First of all, we have to remove all that space. So if you want to remove this space, I have already discussed about that things with you. They have another method as a split method, right? So better I want to do, I take one of the variable as a constant variable. I take it as a array. Okay, array message. Array message. So this type of one of the variable, and here first of all that is our message. So that is a message, and this message I want to declare the split method. Okay, split, that is a split method. And what exactly the things you want to split? I want to split our this space, right? So here I want to do to make one of the space. Okay, now that will be split all the spaces, and now I want to display it into the console. Sorry, that will be as a console. Into the console log area I want to display our array message. Okay, so this array message now I want to display. Now if you click as a save all, so now that is one of the string value. Now I make it as a array. If you now go click as a refresh, yes, you can see it's separated all that our hi, my name is Ariyan. Okay, and now also if you want to make it, that is all that array. If you want to make it array to the string, then what exactly you have to do? We have to call simply our this join method. Okay, here into this position, and we're done to add that our join method, and I want to separate it. I want to separate it with the hyphen. Okay, now that will be again to the string value. Now click as a save all. Before that was I make it as a string to the array, and now I want to make it as an array to the again string. Now click as a refresh. Yes, you can see there is a hi, hyphen, my hyphen, name is Ariyan. I hope friend it's very much clear to you. So with the join method you can make this array to the string value, and that is that if you want to make any string value to the array, then you can make it with the split. Okay, simple work. I hope you understand that part very clearly. In our next video, I want to discuss about that mapping an array. How can working with this? I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.